Hello, my name is Gina Van Opens, and welcome to Gina Van Opens GVO's Magic Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making something that's really exciting for me. I have friends and neighbors that come over and they want to have these sliders, and they are made with King's Hawaiian sweet rolls, which is amazing. This guy started a company, his name is Robert, in 1950, and they've been in business since 1950 and they're still in business. It's over 70 years. Anyways, so we're gonna get to it. And this one is my sweet version of my sweet sliders. So what I like to do is I like to pre-shred chicken just in a broth, and it's sitting there in a bowl. And then I like to make a chutney. A chutney is what they consider to be just a mixture of a lot of fruits. And I like red onion. Red onion's great. And they're all in equal portions. So that's pineapple. And then we have lime juice. And that's a full lime. And then we have avocado. By the way, when I was in Hawaii, that's where I find this little doodad. It works great. Get all that goodness in there. Then about 3 cloves of garlic, give or take, depending on people if you like garlic or not. And of course, freshly chopped parsley. Not parsley, oh my goodness. Cilantro, what the heck. I also like to put white wine vinegar with this one. Just about a little bit more than I wanted, but that's okay. And a little bit of olive oil. And that makes an amazing chutney that you put next to the sandwich because it's so good. I mean, I could eat this like all the time. Anyways, as that's kind of getting, I'm going to show you what I do with the chicken. Okay, so we're going to set that to the side. And with the chicken, I have an Asian sesame sauce that I like to just mix in there, and we'll let it get a bit before I toss it. And then I am gonna go, so I stirred the chicken with the marinade or dressing, whatever people call it. And it should look like a consistency like this. And I just brought the rolls out that look amazing. Anyway, so how I serve this to people, and this is so nice on a summer day. Anyway, so basically how I serve these is you take one of the rolls, which are really hot, so pardon me, and you put a little bit of the slider mix on there, just like this. And I always leave some of the dressing and some sesame seeds on the side because you don't know if people like sesame seeds. And then I put the chutney on the side. Now sometimes I would put a spring mix of veggies, but a lot of people, they just really like chips with this. And so here we go. That's the chutney. And then they can decide if they want to put it on the sandwich or just eat it because it's so good. Thanks for watching. Mahalo.